Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making our own laundry and dishwashing soap. It's super easy. You will have dry powder ready to scoop for washing dishes and cleaning clothes in a natural and healthy way, while also saving money. Let's get started. Starting with dishwasher soap. Here we put 1 cup of citric acid. This helps in removing soap scum, stains, it kills bacteria and mold. It's very effective for general disinfecting and cleaning. Next, 4 cups of washing soda. This acts as a water softener. It removes stains and removes grease. Next, we add 1 cup of salt. The salt enhances the dish soap by neutralizing minerals and softens hard water. This makes your dishes, especially glass, have less spots on them and look shiny. And 1 cup baking soda, which boosts the cleaning results and helps to remove stains. Your ratios do not have to be perfectly measured, which is why it's a great thing to do with your children. If they spill a little bit, it's okay. It's a cleaning product that you can use to wipe down your counters. And for the laundry detergent, super simple, a 1:1:1 ratio. 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of salt. I usually triple or quadruple the recipe. You'll want to have a big enough container that's easy to open and close, and finding a good measuring cup to scoop out. The baking soda neutralizes odors, helps remove stains, and brightens clothing. I like to also add a few drops of lavender essential oil into my powder mix and shaking it up. The washing soda acts as a water softener and helps remove stains, and the salt allows the detergent to work more effectively. For a small to medium load, I'll use about a 1/2 cup, and for a larger load, a full cup. We don't use paper towels in our house, so we always have lots of dirty, wet rags. I keep this little laundry basket in my laundry room, which is super handy when the laundry is already full of clothes. For dirty diapers or super soiled clothes, I'll add a few drops of lavender Castile soap. When drying my clothes, I'll use dryer balls, which help suck out the moisture in some of the clothing and pulls out the dust and hairs. I'll add some drops of lavender oil to that too, and my clothes come out wonderful. In the description below, I have links to what I purchase and how much I purchase. I promise you'll save money and will have less recycling and waste to deal with. Okay, I hope this video helps you and that you get started soon. Stay connected. I'll be sharing our homemade Play-Doh recipe very soon.